Long-range shot for his first attempt in this contest. Chuente! And that is the kind of Chuente that FEU needs. To nothing. And we have to take a look at this one more time. Stockton to Chuente. 2 hands, 6'11", rocking the rim here at the Anaris Center.
Alex Stockton.
Bird digging deep. Don Nim checking in for just the 3rd time here in UAAP Season 82, wearing jersey number 8 is in the game.
Quick trigger there for Ken Tuffin, another assist for the Tamaraws.
3rd period. FEU starting off with Stockton, Tuffin, Gonzales, Chuente, and Torres. Here's Chuente. Finally, another basket aside from those two.
Against Joaquin Manuel.
And Stockton has been improving as a playmaker for FEU, setting up his teammate. Hands it off to Cyrus Torres. Torres kicks it out. Stockton fakes, drives, scoops it up, and scores. Alex Stockton.
The move once again. You know, it's not easy getting the ball up that quickly against an uber athletic defender. That was another rebound for L-Jay Gonzales.
Stockton trying to, oh! Chuente, where did you come from? Chuente was there to clean up the miss. Look at this drive right here on our McDonald's instant replay.
Just throws it off the glass, and because he was able to draw Justin Baltazar, nobody there to box out Chuente, who does the wise thing of following his teammate, getting an offensive rebound and put back.
You know, based on that role of this basketball game, Gonzales throws it out to Torres. Cyrus Torres strokes it.
That's another assist from L-Jay Gonzales. That replay once again. Here's the penetration. Forces the defense to commit. And that's all Cyrus Torres needed.
A fudgy bar, O-bar sa saya moment. Kevin Barkley Ebonia. Comboy throws it to Gonzales, tries to respond, and everything the Green Archers are giving. We are taking a look at the passing
by the Green Archers, but Andre Karakut bails them out with another 3-point shot.
And that was Karakut's first field goal of the game, but as I said just moments ago, FEU Tamaraws on our McDonald's instant replay. Tuffin. Comboy shoots a 3. Wendell Comboy.
Just one of those afternoons. FEU already with 16 assists in the game. They average 14 assists per ball game this.
Alforque throws it out. Tuffin over Malonzo. Tough shot by Ken Tuffin as
heralded heroes here for the FEU Tamaraws. Quiet 14 points for him. And I say quiet.
Hello to all Kapamilya sports fans worldwide. To watch the latest UAAP 82 games, just click the I button and don't forget to subscribe.